The journey begins at the edge of the limestone fringe. As the longtail boat clears the shallow edges of the pond, the weathered timber of the boardwalk guides our path. This structure, a geometric silhouette against the organic landscape, serves as the final marker of the terrestrial world before the marsh takes over. To the west, the Khao Sam Roi Yot massif looms, a 300-meter-high wall of Permian limestone. Navigating the narrow channels of the reed beds requires a delicate touch. These peaks aren't just a backdrop. They create a rain shadow effect, sheltering this basin and allowing a rare concentration of migratory bird life to thrive in the stagnant, nutrient-rich shallows. In the heart of the marsh, the visual beauty is punctuated by a discordant soundtrack. The Great Mynas and reed warblers claim these stalks, flashing their wings in a frantic display of territorial dominance. Their song is less a melody and more a mechanical screech, a raw, prehistoric sound that echoes the ancient nature of this landscape. As we drift back, the observation tower and the sprawling boardwalk come into focus. Built to allow human observation without trampling the fragile peat soil of the marsh, these structures represent a shift in Thai conservation history, moving from extraction to preservation.